Can you count 1 to 10 in Cantonese? If not, please check out my video on counting 1 to 10 before watching this one. Otherwise, let's get started! Hi! Welcome to Weekend Canto. 粵廣粵講 is Tracy here. It's very easy to remember days of the week in Cantonese. From Monday to Saturday, you just need to combine the word 星期 and the numbers 1 to 6. 星期 means week. Monday is 星期一 星期一 Tuesday is 星期二星期二 Wednesday is 星期三星期三 Thursday is 星期四星期四 Friday is 星期五星期五 Saturday is 星期六星期六 With Sunday, we just need to put 日 after 星期. 日 literally means sun. Sunday is 星期日星期日 To ask what day it is today, we ask 今日星期幾今日星期幾 If it's Monday today, we answer 今日星期一今日星期一 As you're watching this video right now, can you answer what day it is today in Cantonese? That's all for now. If you'd like to learn more about Cantonese, please check out my other videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!